Now, just a day after being struck down, a U.S. appeals court on Friday allowed Trump tariffs to stay in place under emergency powers temporarily. On Thursday, a separate court, the U.S. International Trade Court, had deemed Trump's tariffs as illegal and said that the president had exceeded his authority as only Congress had the right to impose levies. However, the Trump administration protested the trade court's ruling, initiating an appeal proceeding against the decision. In response to the administration's plea, the U.S. Court of Appeals allowed Trump's tariffs to remain in place as the administration files an appeal against the trade court's decision. The appeals court said, I'm quoting here, the request for an immediate administrative stay is granted to the extent that the judgments and the permanent injunctions entered by the Court of International Trade in these cases are temporarily stayed until further notice, while this court considers the motion papers. Several states and small businesses have challenged the tariffs that have altered the global economic order as well. The two distinct cases formed the basis for the trade court's decision earlier. Several U.S. state governments joined the non-partisan Liberty Justice Center to oppose the import levies. The center took legal action on behalf of several small companies that imported items from nations that were subject to the tariffs. Both lawsuits reached the Court of International Trade, which has jurisdiction over trade matters. The case marked the first significant challenge to Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs on the 2nd of April. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.